a thunderstorm warning for southern Wise County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Pudo, or 13 miles southwest of Bridgeport, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Briar, Reno, Springtown, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Pudo, Paradise, Lake Bridgeport, Runaway Bay, Sanctuary, La Junta, Cottondale, Keeter, Balzora, Agnes, Boonsville, and Highland Edition. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
The current time is